If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for the whole family, then take a look at the certified pre-owned 2019 Jeep Renegade Latitude in Alpine White with automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, remote start system, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 11,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen display, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, electric park brake, split folding rear seats, a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P5942B.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.